Lil. Hi guys, so I'm going to be talking about a really embarrassing story that happened to me once. So I was in 7th grade and I was in 7th grade and we had recess because I had recess from kindergarten to 8th grade because of the fact that I went to a kindergarten through 8th grade school. So I was in 7th grade and I was at recess right after lunch. And everyone was sitting at these tables. We had these really horribly uncomfortable tables and chairs that were like that metal wiring that was covered in like that weird gooey stuff, and it was just really uncomfortable and horrible. And these tables were round, and it was like summertime, and it was nice. Well, it wasn't summer because we were in school. It was like springtime, and it was really nice. And we were all, me and a bunch of girls that I don't even talk to because I don't know. I was never really friends with them, but I was sitting with them anyway. We were all in this conversation, and I just let out this one really long burp. Yeah, I know, it's really horrible. I feel so, it's just a really, really bad thing. And so yeah, I laughed, and I was laughing, and I was laughing, and I stopped laughing when I saw that everyone in the entire grade had heard me burp, and it seemed like the end of the world at the time, and I was very upset about it, and so it was very, very bad, and then for the next like 4 days, people just burped around me. It really sucked. So yeah, I can burp on command. If you want me to show you. Yeah. Wait, what did she say? Whoops. And so, do you want me to show you how I can burp? How I can burp on command.
You need some water?
No, I'm good. So yeah. That was really short, but I left my mouth open for a really long time. Hold on, I need to prepare. This is all part of the preparation. I think I can do this. Yeah, that's as good as it's gonna get.
Disgusting.
That's as good as it's gonna get. Yeah. So, bye guys. Bye. 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 I love you guys. Bye. 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 Bye.